What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. It is morning of day 3 and I'm about to go to work. So let me take you along for my day. So far so good. Weighed in today. Let me give you the weight since I just did it. All right, so weighed in today at 274.8, 52.2% body fat. I'll go over what it was yesterday if you didn't see yesterday's video a little later. What's up, everybody? So it is day 3 and I am just leaving work. I was supposed to work out. I was supposed to work out in the gym at work. However, I went downstairs and had a conversation and that took me off track. So I carpooled with my wife and I gotta leave at 5. So I wasn't able to work out today at work, but I do think I'm gonna be able to still work out because it's leg day. It depends on if I have the stuff, the right weights to do it in the house. So we'll see. But today was it's a non-eventful day at work, but I thought I was gonna get a chance to go out and actually kind of do some walking and kind of vlog with you guys while I'm at work for lunch, but I didn't get out today, so I wasn't able to do that. So that's it. But I will say that towards the end of the day, I was telling my wife that my hunger, like I'm not hungry, but I started thinking about food. So that was interesting, but I'm so close to 90 hours. Literally, I go to sleep, I wake up, and I'm almost there. Like I can eat at 2. So I'm I'm holding out. I can't say that I'm hungry. I can just say that I'm starting to think about food in a way of eating it, if that makes sense. So that's about it for now. I am going to continue to drive. I'm about to pick up my wife, so she'll be in the car. So I'll wait till I get home to film the rest of this. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so it's a long drive home from where we work. So still on the road. However, my wife wanted to stop and get her some dinner. And she loves this kale place, and that's what we're doing right now. I'm waiting on her to come back in the car, but I thought that I would talk to you guys. So, like I said, I am about, let's see where I'm at in fasting. Oh, I just hit 70 hours. So 70 hours right now, and it is 6:10 in the evening. So not doing too bad. You know, feeling okay. I'm starting to think about food, like what I'm gonna eat tomorrow. So that's how I know that things are getting a little, like I'm getting close. Because when I start thinking and talking about food and what I'm gonna eat and planning it out, I find that that's when I'm like going through, like, I'm not hungry. Like, I don't feel like I need to eat, but I'm starting to, I guess, like, if you think of like one of those, like a person in a movie that's getting an itch or something, I don't know, I'm starting to get that itch. So I'm getting that itch. We're at 70 hours. Let me go back to my weight. All right, so my weight for this morning was 274.8 with 52.2% body fat. Yesterday, if you didn't see the video, go back and watch it. But I weighed in at 278.8, 59.9% body fat. So that is from my start to, which was Monday, to now. That is, it looks like the app is saying 8.2 pounds of weight loss in 3 days. So we are right on target to do really well tomorrow. If I keep up with this same pace of weight loss, we are gonna be doing real good. So I will check back in when I get home. All right guys, so I'm out here walking with my wife. This will be my exercise for the day. I did not make it to the gym, as you know. So this will be my exercise for today. And with that, I will see you guys tomorrow. This is the end of day 3. We did good. I gave you my weight. I gave you my fasting time. Hold on, let me give it to you again, because some time has passed. So let's see where I'm at right now. I'm at 71 hours and 57 minutes. So we are doing good. I will see you in the next video. Hold on, I gotta do my thing. So if I can do this, you can for sure.